It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 Maverick XL in carbonized gray with ebony interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box. You also have a nice mat in your box, as well as tie downs. You also have a trailer tow hitch and many other reasons to visit us. This has a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. If you'd like to take it out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and you've got these nice all-weather mats with the Maverick logo, high mount lighting, and lighting controls. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will also come up. In the center, we're just waiting for the display to come up. We've got a little cubby behind. Let's turn down our volume. We can do that on our steering wheel or down below. And this is just a protective cover that's located on there. And I'm just going to show you that you've got your hazard lights here, your front defrost and auto hold. So if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use the auto hold to keep you in place. So our menus come up here. We can go into our settings and you're going to see different options. Slide through for what you'd like. They've all got sub menus. We can go back home and we can go into our features. Our owner's manual is in there, our towing and driver assistance. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So there's the center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. Let's put us back in a park. We have our climate control here, our front defrost AC and our fan, and then we've got our volume, hazard lights, and again you've got your fan and your auto hold, USB-C and USB plus the 12 volt. You've got lots of room to put items, automatic shifter, and it's a dial shifter, electronic parking brake, traction control, auto stop start for less idle time, a couple of cup holders, and you got nice little bins in here and everything so you can put items, and you've got room in your console, your armrest, and then you've got your glove compartment off to the side, manually dimming rear view mirror, and we've got our lighting controls up top, as well as our sunglass holder and grab handle in the body. 8-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handle. Actually, they're black door handles. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, and you've got the black handle in the rear, lockable tailgate. And as well, you have got a trailer tow hitch. And then when you're ready to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch. You have tie downs in all 4 corners and this nice mat. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 with a bench seat. And so we can pull the tab on either end. You only have to pull one, and that'll bring it right up, and you have access to the storage below. And then all weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, USB outlets, and then that little cutout, you can 3D print cup holders or a little table, whatever you'd like. And there's grab handles as well as hooks, dome lighting up top, and access to a big window in the rear. Trailer tow hitch receiver, and in the rear you've also got a 4-foot box with a mat, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.